Good morning, children. Yesterday we have learned ABC. Today we will learn DEF. Now watch.
For dog, D for dots, D D D, D D D. E for egg,